Hello and welcome to this edition of Supplement Saturday. I'm your host, Dr. Richard Harris, and this is a 5-minute or less hot take on some of our favorite supplements, and we're still in our workout series. First one we're going to be talking about today is alpha ketoglutarate, or AKG. We talked about this on our research Thursday, I believe it was this week, how alpha KG increases longevity in mice, but it's also used as a workout supplement. So what is alpha KG? It's a intermediate in our energy generating cycle called the Krebs cycle. It's also a precursor to glutamine and glutamate, two amino acids. Glutamine is very well known by us workout types because it increases muscle protein synthesis. It's the most abundant amino acid in the blood. And it's also really great for your gut. Your gut cells love glutamine. It's very healthy for their normal functioning. Now, what else does alpha KG do? Well, in rapidly dividing cells or growing cells, when there's not enough glutamate or glutamine around, it can stem the protein catabolism that happens, and then it can be used as a source of glutamine, which is great. It can also prevent muscle catabolism after surgery or trauma. It's sometimes used in heart surgeries to help prevent heart damage because there's not enough energy going to the heart. Some studies show that it may increase athletic performance. But it also helps with bone density because alpha KG is a cofactor for collagen synthesis, and collagen is a scaffolding system in our bodies. It's a part of what makes our bones nice and strong, our skin tight, and our muscles strong. So that's another important element of alpha KG. The dose, usually somewhere between 1,500 and 3,500 milligrams, is what you'll see on most workout products. Side effects, really none identified. It's generally recognized as safe, GRAS. There haven't been any real side effects reported in the literature. Now let's move on to another common workout supplement, Beta-Alanine. Beta-Alanine is people's favorite workout supplement because that's what gives you the tingles when you take your pre-workout. And so I take Beta-Alanine, got my NutriBio Beta-Alanine right here. It's one of my favorite supplement companies, one of my favorite products. So beta-alanine is a component of carnosine. Beta-alanine combined with another amino acid, histidine, makes carnosine. Well, there's lots of histidine around, but not so much beta-alanine. So it's the rate limiting step, or what determines how much carnosine we have in our bodies. So carnosine is concentrated in muscle cells and plays a role in muscle cell contraction, but it also is a buffer. So when we're working out, when we're actively generating a lot of energy in our tissue, we get buildup of hydrogen ions, which makes those cells very acidic. And that acidity is what leads to neuromuscular fatigue. That's when you get the signal that your muscles are on fire, that you're burning and telling your body to stop. So that buildup of acid is one of the reasons that happens. So beta-alanine converts into carnosine, and carnosine is a buffer. So what it's been shown is it can delay neuromuscular fatigue in athletes and increase the total work done with exercise. And that's very important because total work is really what determines your output, what you get out of the gym. So what are some cautions with beta-alanine? It can antagonize taurine uptake. That's another amino acid. They compete for absorption. Dosing, it's usually 2 to 8 grams. Most people I know are in the 2-gram range, and that's in divided doses. So you don't take 8 grams at once. The most people will do is like 4 grams twice a day. Side effects, the main thing is it gives you that flushing, it gives you that tingling. So when you take your beta-alanine, that's what gets your tingling in your fingers and in your face. And so that's nothing severely wrong in that instance. That's just the beta-alanine kicking in. And some studies show that it may cause some GI upset with high doses. So this has been Dr. Richard Harris for Supplement Saturday. Y'all have a blessed day.